Let's hope not.
Hopefully not. No, there's ticks in Maine.
Yeah.
I thought he said there were ticks on me. I'm like, yeah, hopefully not.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Birding with Nick and Quinn. Today I'm telling the story of our best adventure yet. The trip had began with a rocky start. Problem number one, I did not keep my phone on, and I did not realize when we had to leave, so we left later. Problem number two, we needed to change our oil. And the problem with that was, since we arrived late, we were not able to get there in time. We were able to fix these problems by taking a different car. We'd still be going like a 4-hour drive at night, which was extremely hard because northern Maine is pretty hard to get to, so we had to go a little closer. But there was another problem. We booked the wrong hotel. We had the dates mixed up. We were able to fix that because the people running the hotel were very nice and understanding. We were able to make it to the hotel around midnight. It was pretty hard, but we were still able to get a few hours of sleep. It was pretty rough. The day before, we racked up about 12 species, and then we were going to bed, hoping for a good day tomorrow at Burn Road.
So far, this is the rarest part of the trip. Little kingbird.
No, peregrine falcon.
Oh, then kingbird.
Hoggers.
Just getting 2 birds for the list, boys.
Yeah, we just got red-eyed vireo and a vireo. I was thinking red-eyed vireo, but I thought you were talking about, I was getting mixed up. Oh, Nick.
Song sparrow.
Is that the song sparrow?
Yep.
Yeah.
Tail and flight.
We got our first boreal bird, the red crossbill flew over. We're on our way to Burn Road.
Burn Road.
Burn Road.
Wait, who's editing Burn Road video? Me or you?
Me.
Okay, you can do Burn Road. I'll do Baxter.
Yeah. Baxter.
Let's
Burn.
Go. Woo.
Coffee. One of the species we'll be attempting to find at Burn Road is the elusive spruce grouse, which are often seen in the northern boreal forest feeding on tamarack and berries. At this time of year, the females will be parading chicks. In spring, the males will be doing their display to attract the females. Burn Road is a very good place for spruce grouse, having high numbers, along with other boreal species. The other species we are hoping to find are the red crossbills and white-winged crossbills, which are winter finches of the North Woods. The other species we want to get looks at are the olive-sided flycatcher, yellow-bellied flycatcher, the woodpecker species of the North Woods, black-backed and free-toed, the gray jay, and any of the warblers that breed up there, which is almost all the warblers that pass through our area and more. We got bars, but now they're all dropping because we're leaving the cell tower's range. The beautiful
Now they're
woods.
dropping like albums.
They're dropping like albums. Any moose? Where are the meese?
They don't like you calling them that.
Moose, fine. But why do they call? Is it just a flock of goose?
Goose moose. Wait, show them. Bro, they have bobolinks up here. Bobolinks.
How?
I don't know.
The destination is on your left.
White-winged crossbill.
3, 2, 1, moose.
There's no moose.
Wait, give it a second.
Yep.
We'll edit it out. And it'll be the smoothest transition into a moose. Where are you, moose? There he is.
That's not a moose.
We arrive at Burn Road to hear many different species of warblers singing, including my favorite warbler, Blackburnian. Up ahead, my dad calls out a group of ruffed grouse, which were quickly flushed. We just arrived at Burn Road.
It's insane up here.
This was our first warbler of the trip.
Yep. We hear Blackburnian, there's yellow rumped. This is
the
sick.
Devil. On the DSLR. Makes a very annoying noise. Are these crossbills up here? I don't think so. I hear a woodpecker. You hear that woodpecker?
Winter wren.
You still see it?
Yeah.
Surprisingly, the winter wrens come right up to us. It appeared to be a family, 2 adults and 1 juvenile, which you can see the juvenile now. They were curious and they kept inspecting us.
Why are you here?
Are there 2?
Yeah, there's 2.
We just saw a hermit thrush, we heard a Swainson's thrush, and later in the day we got a wood thrush. Last year we got a Bicknell's thrush, which is a very rare thrush, but none this year. I found a pretty cool tree. Right then, Nick called out an olive-sided flycatcher, so I ran. We quickly found the olive-sided flycatcher. We saw several more throughout the day, but this was a very cool bird. Last year we only got the yellow-bellied flycatcher, so it was nice getting the olive-sided.
Come on, spruce grouse. Pray to the Lord.
Give us the grouse.
Please, help us find spruce grouse. I need it. So does Quinn. Amen. Bro, now?
We just heard a morning. Hear this warbler calling. I think it's morning. Ready?
Oh, I have no internet out here. Oh, you got it on video.
Robin out there.
Oh, this is good.
Overexposed.
Woodpecker habitat.
Yep.
Oh, there's
Yellow throat?
really nice.
Olive-sided? Oh, Dad, this is your chance to get the olive-sided. Wait. I'll cut out.
We were out there for a while now. Our hopes for the spruce grouse were going down. I got stuck on like this weird log raft thing in like a pond, but our hopes for seeing the spruce grouse were going down until we were in the car and I looked over my right shoulder to see I screamed grouse. No one else but me was able to get it at that point in time because we couldn't hear it flushing because we were in the moving car. But it was likely to be a ruffed grouse, so we would pull over immediately. I quickly refined it, and we checked the ID, and it turned out to be a spruce grouse. We started, like, freaking out. It was amazing.
Spruce grouse, guys. This is the greatest moment ever. That's a spruce grouse for sure, Nick.
We patiently waited with the calm grouse.
I'm sure if it's... That's possibly one.
We'd put so much effort and time into seeing this bird. We had gone on past trips to see this bird with no luck. We had done over 30 hours of searching for the spruce grouse overall, and we are so rewarded to see the bird. We're extremely excited because this was one of our favorite birds we've been waiting to get for such a long time. The bird was extremely calm and gave amazing views. One of the greatest birding experiences I've ever had. We'd gotten the bird we wanted the most. The trip felt like a huge success. The pressure was relieved off our shoulders of seeing the spruce grouse. This bird was amazing, and we got amazing looks at it. It was a female spruce grouse. We know it's not a ruffed grouse because of the white barring, the red eyebrow. Ruffed grouse are harder to get nice photos of because they flush easier, but spruce grouse are the harder ones to find because they're very elusive and they don't give their spot away. So I was very lucky that we were able to see this bird. We got amazing views of it, amazing pictures, and by the end, we calmly walked away from our little friend, the spruce grouse, which we named... I'm not sure what we named it. I think we named it Grub. Grub the spruce grouse. So we said goodbye to our friend Grub the spruce grouse.
Guys, we just got the spruce grouse, which we probably put 30 hours into, but it was all worth it.
Definitely.
I got bitten by a black fly, or what are they?
I don't know what they are, but they are
Yeah, and my hand's like, oh, it's not focusing, so it looks like I'm just like lying. Oh, just trust me.
Spruce grouse. Time to write about it. What do we write about it?
Most people don't even write about it. Or like they're like life bird, yeah.
And in my top 5
In my
for
top
birds
5.
I want to see.
Cool.
It was only 11 a.m. We got everything we wanted, and we still had a day and a half to bird.
We're looking for the spruce grouse.
Yeah, we're looking for the... Wait.
We should name it. No, wait, no.
No, it's already named Grubba.
It's already named. We named our spruce grouse Grubba, and no one can change it.
No, it's Grubba.
Are you sure it's not Tina?
Well, I think you
was
said
a
maybe
girl.
we should name it Tina, but Grubba is Grubba.
Yeah, it is Grubba. The viewers on YouTube have like no clue.
They have no clue. But it's alright.
It's like a football, kind of.
Yeah, straight up. That did look like a football, honestly. We can make spruce grouse footballs. I mean, the bill might impale you, but you'll want.
It's okay, there are already a bunch of like serious injuries.
When there's like 6 hornets surrounding the car.
No, it's okay.
A group of hornets started chasing us, and they chased us going so fast for so long. It was ridiculous. There's so many hornets, and they're just attacking.
Nest, and anyway.
So like 50 hornets are following us, so we think we ran over a hornet nest.
Show them. Show them. Look at behind us.
Oh my god.
If you don't believe us, those are all hornets.
Holy cow.
Is it coming through?
Wait,
I think I just saw one, but there's like 50.
They're like 50. Oh my god.
But you're gonna get a
Okay,
grouse.
guys, so we need to like throw something out of the car not valuable to us to get them off of us.
That's not gonna work. They're still like fall the car. The car is too big.
I like it.
There are fish in there, but I think they're a little like 4-inch brook though.
Yeah. We just got a spruce grouse, but everything's going good.
I don't even know how anything survives in here.
Yeah.
Maybe they're not brook trout. They might have been a little pickerel. Yeah, I feel like they're probably pickerel.
Pickerel.
It's like the only fish that I know that could survive in something this panic.
Burn Road's probably like the greatest boreal spot in Maine.
On eBird.
On eBird.
Oh, I just had another one.
Or known boreal spot by like the birding. It's not even that well known.
Just had another one. They just hit it.
The only way I figured it out was for the BBC who walk it.
Oh, I see what you're talking about before. That's a rock.
Yeah, I was joking. It is indeed a rock. Is this turning into a fishing episode? Like the fishing, herping, and warblers and more?
They're all little pickle.
That video did so well. It's just the part 2. All 20 views.
All 20 of those views. That was like our worst performing video. I thought it was actually gonna do alright.
This is gonna do very well, I would say.
This video's gonna do good.
Baxter's gonna do good.
2 videos out of this trip.
Hey! Spruce Grouse gets its own video. We have more than enough media for it.
I had a little pickle, but it was like, just a just... I got some crappy distance shots.
It was the evening. We just saw a nighthawk. We had a broad-winged hawk. We also had a mink frog, which is a lifer for the both of us. This is Boreal birding part 1. Hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please like and subscribe so you don't miss our uploads. In all, we got 4 different lifers from each species. We got a mammal lifer, the snowshoe hare. We got a bird lifer, spruce grouse. We got a fish lifer, fine-scaled days. And we got a reptile lifer, the mink frog. At the end of the trip, Nick was joking about getting a boreal owl all the way up until the trip. And then we finally, went around driving at night, and instead of hearing a boreal owl, we had a whippoorwill, which was very rare, and I thought that was kind of cool.